If your GMC Sierra's interior is starting to look more like a rugged job site than a premium cabin, you are risking thousands in resale value. Today, we are putting an end to the destruction by finding the absolute best seat covers to protect your investment. In this video, I'm counting down the top 7 best seat covers for the GMC Sierra, rigorously testing them for durability, fit, and comfort to see which ones actually hold up to real-world truck use. Number 7. JOJOBAY seat covers. Right out of the box, these covers attempt to mimic the look of factory leather, utilizing a synthetic faux leather material that aims to upgrade the look of your base model GMC Sierra. I was initially drawn to the modern stitching pattern and the promise of a custom-like fit without breaking the bank. The material itself feels relatively thick to the touch, which gave me some initial hope regarding its ability to stop dog claws or sharp tools from puncturing through to the original factory cloth underneath. The installation process was straightforward, relying on a series of straps, chucks, and hooks to secure the covers over the Sierra's bulky seats. However, after strapping everything down, I noticed the fit wasn't quite as flush as the marketing photos suggested. While the top half hugged the backrest adequately, the bottom seat cushion cover had a noticeable amount of slack that I simply could not tighten away, no matter how much I adjusted the underseat tension. When it comes to daily driving comfort, the faux leather provides a smooth surface that makes sliding in and out of the lifted truck cab relatively easy. Unfortunately, this material proved to be highly unbreathable during my testing. On a hot afternoon, the lack of ventilation became immediately apparent, leaving my back uncomfortably sweaty after just a short 30-minute commute. If you live in a warmer climate, this heat retention is something you will definitely have to manage. Durability is where the JOJOBAY covers started to show their true colors. After only a couple of weeks of regular use, entering and exiting the truck caused the loose material on the bottom cushion to bunch up and crease. 6. LPI Truck Carson. This cover takes a drastically different approach, opting for that classic, nostalgic saddle blanket material that many of us remember from the farm trucks of our childhood. I was genuinely excited to test this one out because the heavy-duty woven fabric feels incredibly robust in your hands. It gives off an immediate, rugged, Western vibe that looks fantastic inside the utilitarian cabin of a GMC Sierra, especially if you use your truck for agricultural work or hunting. Getting the LPI Truck Carson cover installed was a bit of a mixed bag. Because the material is so incredibly thick and lacks any real stretch or elasticity, maneuvering it over the wide modern seats of the Sierra required quite a bit of wrestling. Once I finally got it wrestled into place, I found that the one-size-fits-most design simply did not contour perfectly to the specific bolstering of the newer Sierra models. It tends to drape over the seat rather than hugging it tightly. During my road tests, the thick woven material proved to be surprisingly comfortable in a very sturdy, supportive way. It does not get burning hot in the summer or freezing cold in the winter, which is a massive advantage over cheap synthetic leathers. However, the texture is quite rough, so if you are wearing shorts during the summer months, the coarse weave can feel a bit abrasive against bare skin on a long road trip. The biggest drawback I encountered with the LPI Carson was its tendency to shift around. Because the fit is somewhat generic and the woven material lacks a non-slip backing, I found myself constantly having to readjust and pull the bottom cushion cover back into place after sliding out of the cab. 5. YIERTAI car seat covers. These covers are crafted from a high-grade, waterproof faux leather that feels remarkably close to the real thing. When I first unpacked them, I was struck by the premium detailing, including the elegant geometric stitching and the plush, multi-layered construction that incorporates a high-resilient sponge layer for added comfort. Installing the YIERTAI covers in the GMC Sierra was a very rewarding experience. Unlike the previous entries, these covers are designed with much better precision, utilizing a wraparound design that covers the sides and front of the seat beautifully. The strapping system is intuitive, and once secured, the covers hug the factory bolstering tightly, completely transforming the look of the interior without leaving any unsightly bagging or loose material on the seat base. To test their protective capabilities, I deliberately spilled a large cup of black coffee directly onto the driver's seat. The waterproof faux leather performed flawlessly, causing the liquid to bead up on the surface without seeping into the seams or reaching the factory cloth below. A quick wipe with a microfiber towel left the seat looking brand new, proving that these are an excellent option for families with messy kids or contractors who eat lunch on the go. Comfort-wise, the YIERTAI covers are a massive upgrade over bare factory cloth. The built-in sponge layer provides noticeable lumbar and thigh support, making long highway drives significantly more pleasant. Furthermore, despite being a synthetic leather, the material features micro perforations in the center panels, which dramatically improves airflow and prevents the dreaded sweaty back syndrome that usually plagues aftermarket leather covers. Overall, the YIERTAI car seat covers strike a fantastic balance between luxury aesthetics and practical protection. They offer a secure fit, excellent spill resistance, and a highly comfortable ride. 4. Rough Country Neoprene Seat Covers. If you use your GMC Sierra for mudding, overlanding, or frequent trips to the lake, neoprene is the exact material you want guarding your interior. Crafted from the same thick, water-resistant material used in high-end wetsuits, these covers are purpose-built to take an absolute beating from the elements while keeping your factory seats completely untouched. Fitment is where Rough Country truly shines. These covers are laser measured and custom tailored specifically for the exact dimensions of the GMC Sierra's seats. Slipping them on requires a bit of effort because they fit so snugly, but the result is a flawless, skin-tight appearance that looks like it came straight from the factory. There are no awkward wrinkles, and the covers accommodate all factory seat controls and airbags perfectly. In terms of actual field testing, these covers are nearly indestructible when it comes to moisture and dirt. I hopped into the truck soaking wet after a kayaking trip, and the thick neoprene simply absorbed the surface moisture without letting a single drop penetrate through to the foam underneath. When they inevitably get caked in mud or dirt from a long weekend in the woods, you can literally wipe them down with a damp cloth or even safely spot clean them with a mild upholstery cleaner. Comfort is another major win for Rough Country. The neoprene material is naturally soft and provides a slight cushioning effect that makes the Sierra's seats feel incredibly plush. Additionally, the fabric holds its temperature exceptionally well, meaning you won't freeze when sitting down on a cold winter morning, nor will you burn your legs on a scorching August afternoon. The Rough Country neoprene seat covers are an absolute must-have for the adventurous GMC Sierra owner. 3. Swan seat covers. For GMC Sierra owners who want the ultimate luxury transformation, these covers are an absolute revelation. Constructed from a top-tier wear-resistant synthetic leather, the Aierxuan covers are designed to mimic the plush, high-end interiors found in luxury SUVs. The moment you run your hands over the smooth, deeply padded surface, you realize these are vastly superior to standard auto parts store covers. The installation process is incredibly refined. Aierxuan utilizes a full coverage design that encases the entire seat, including the headrests and the back panels. When I finished putting these in the Sierra, a friend actually thought I had paid thousands of dollars to have the interior professionally reupholstered. The fit is masterfully tailored, hugging every curve and contour of the seat with absolute precision, leaving zero slack. During my daily testing, I threw everything I could at these covers. I tossed heavy metal toolboxes onto the passenger seat and let two large, energetic dogs jump around in the back. The thick, multi-layer synthetic leather shrugged off the abuse completely. There were no scratches, no punctures, and no scuffs. The material is remarkably resilient and holds its shape perfectly, bouncing right back even after heavy items have been sitting on it for hours. Beyond their durability, the Aierxuan covers prioritize ergonomic comfort. They feature built-in, thickened padding in the lumbar and thigh areas, significantly reducing driving fatigue on long road trips. The material is also surprisingly breathable for a thick synthetic, and it is fully compatible with the Sierra's heated seat function, allowing the warmth to pass right through during cold morning commutes without degrading the material. The Aierxuan seat covers are a spectacular option for those who refuse to compromise on aesthetics or protection. Mub 2. Cat MeshFlex Automotive Seat Covers. Caterpillar is a brand synonymous with heavy-duty earth-moving equipment and unyielding durability, and they have poured that exact same rugged engineering into these seat covers. Designed for the true working professional, these covers utilize an advanced MeshFlex fabric that is engineered to withstand the most brutal job site conditions imaginable. What impressed me most about the fitment is the heavy-duty anchoring system. Recognizing that work trucks see constant, aggressive entries and exits by guys wearing heavy tool belts, CAT designed these covers to stay absolutely planted. Once installed in the Sierra, they grip the factory seats like a vice. Even when sliding out of the tall truck in thick denim work pants, the covers did not shift or bunch up a single millimeter. The MeshFlex material is an absolute game changer for daily comfort. Traditional heavy-duty covers often feel stiff and trap heat, but the advanced woven mesh design here promotes continuous airflow. After spending a long, grueling day working outside in the humid summer heat, getting into the truck was actually a relief. The covers kept my back cool and dry, providing excellent ventilation while still offering industrial-grade protection against rips and tears. I actively tried to damage these covers during my testing phase. I tossed sharp screwdrivers, greasy wrenches, and rough wooden boards directly onto the seats. The CAT MeshFlex material simply deflected the abuse. Dirt and sawdust brushed right off, and the tight weave prevented any sharp edges from snagging or pulling the fabric. It is a level of toughness that perfectly matches the capability of a heavy-duty GMC Sierra. The CAT MeshFlex automotive seat covers are the ultimate choice for the blue-collar worker or anyone who uses their Sierra as a primary workhorse. 1. Covercraft Carhartt Super Ducks. This is the ultimate collaboration between two legendary brands, resulting in a product that is practically bulletproof. Crafted from Carhartt's proprietary 1000 denier Cordura nylon, these covers are born from the same fabric used in premium tactical gear and extreme outdoor workwear. From the moment you touch them, you know they will easily outlast the truck itself. Because these are custom manufactured by Covercraft specifically for your exact year and trim of the GMC Sierra, the fitment is nothing short of perfection. There are no generic straps or loose-fitting generic panels. They slide over the factory seats like a tailored suit, accommodating armrests, cup holders, and seat belts with laser-cut precision. The heavy-duty stitched seams lie perfectly flat, giving the cabin an incredibly clean, customized, and rugged aesthetic. The protective capabilities of the Super Ducks covers are simply unmatched. They feature Carhartt's Rain Defender durable water-repellent technology. I emptied an entire bottle of water onto the seat, and it literally rolled off like water off a duck's back. Furthermore, the 1000 denier Cordura is virtually immune to punctures, tears, and abrasion. Whether it's hunting gear, aggressive dogs, spilled oil, or heavy building materials, these covers form an impenetrable shield over your factory upholstery. Despite their armor-like durability, they remain highly comfortable for daily driving. The nylon material is surprisingly smooth to the touch and does not trap body heat, ensuring a comfortable ride no matter the season. Best of all, when they finally do get dirty after months of hardcore abuse, they are fully machine washable. You simply unclip them, throw them in the washing machine, and they come out looking brand new, ready for another round of punishment.